Reporting live to you. We are in Dallas, Texas. I am going to give you a live weather update today. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll be back. Alright, y'all. What's up? Welcome back to 100% Beauty. It's your girl, Ani. And y'all know today we about to have a snow day. It's been crazy out in Dallas, as you guys have probably seen like on the news and stuff. So I'm about to show you guys reporting live from here today what it's really about, so you can kind of, you know, see what's going on. So we're gonna have a snow day, guys. Okay, because today we are gonna be out and about, just kind of walking around the neighborhood and just see what we can kind of find, because you know I ain't never been in no snow like this and it's cold, but it's gonna be fun. So let's go ahead and get into this. I'm ready. Say I'm ready.
Let's go.
I want to see if I can draw something with my heel. Y'all, this snow is like solid. Like I can stomp on it, but it's not really doing nothing. First of all, let's take a moment to appreciate my attire, okay?
So what you got on? What you had to put on for the
latest combats.
Okay, stomping on them.
Got the blonde hair with the pink tips.
Okay.
Mimosa. I got my several layers on underneath the bubble coat.
Yeah.
Classic for the 90s kids, okay? And you know, I got the black jeans. Classic, we going all men in black with it. You know what I mean?
Y'all know I wasn't ready. I just came out here with the forces, you feel me?
Look at me.
This is the forces.
Look at it.
Ooh. Now let's walk. Oh, let me get that. Go ahead.
Oh wait, I'm about to do a spin. Let me stop before I bust it. Ah, don't make as much of a dent.
Go. Woo.
Heavier and heavier. Just cracking shards of ice and glass. I wonder if you could stab somebody with an icicle. Alright, so we about to go to the lake to see if it's frozen. My ears are definitely feeling the repercussions of this weather. So, you know, cover it with my blonde. Kimosa, keep me covered, girl. Keep me covered.
Alright, you good?
Yeah. Okay, so as you guys can see, this intersection is not working. Like yesterday, there were no lights, no power in this area. So the street lights were out. Like it looked like a ghost town. But as you can see, it's up and running now. Like there's way more traffic on the road. It doesn't look like it, but there's way more like people driving. You know, it's not as bad as it was like the day before. But y'all, it is honestly crazy. Like I'm just so grateful that we haven't lost power or our heat, because there have been a lot of people who have. So I'm just happy to see people got their power back. Power on.
Let's go. To the lake.
To the lake.
Yeah, definitely, for sure.
Woo! It's cold, y'all.
Well, what do you think?
Making sure that it's cold.
You are special, bro. You don't even know what you're doing. Here, hold the camera real quick.
My fingers is cold.
Mine
Zay.
Mine too. I think we've done quite a bit.
Y'all, Bay is out here doing his thing.
What up, man?
You cold, Bay?
Hell
Your
yeah.
shoes blend in with the snow.
I got no feet.
Well, you got feet, but it just... Woo! This is cold, Bay.
Hell yeah.
My hands is finna freeze off. I got frostbite.
Well, I had to put that shit on my... That's why I gave you the camera.
I got frostbite.
Right down, my hand's cold, man. Get that fat ass icicle right there. But this shit almost a pole. Hold up. That's an ice pole on that bitch. Look at
This
that.
one is actually pretty sharp. Feel that.
That's an ice pole. Oh shit. Hold up. You see that? Hold on, let me see.
I picked the sharpest one because I knew.
Baby. It's still from you. Ooh.
It's sharp. I like it. I want to see if I can break it.
Go ahead.
I can grip it. I'm about to rake this one. Ah. My icicle
Let
one.
me see that.
I'm gonna write on it.
Damn, bro.
I'm gonna write. No, you had to break it. Why
I
you
just
had
want
to
to
break
eat it, bro. No cap.
So I saw this video of this lady who did a video on, like, you know, melting the snow, and conspiracy theory, it did not melt. So I want to see if this is real snow or this is the government trying to control us, because you know how they do.
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of this snow, I'm gonna bring it inside, and then I'm gonna burn it. And if it don't melt, then it's not real. If it do, then I'm just crazy. We gonna see, okay? So I'm gonna take me a little scoop. Violence. Make it a snowball. And I'm gonna go and put it in the sea. We got a lighter today? It's melting. It's melting. So I guess it is real snow.
Is it melting?
All right, y'all. Well, it's been real here at 100% Beauty. We've had crispiness at our ears and frostbite at our fingertips. It's real, reporting to you live. This is Ani Sorrells. We'll see you next time.
What?
I was ending it like the news reporter people. I was trying to do my voice. All right, y'all. Love you guys so much. It's been real. I will see y'all next time. Peace and love and happiness.
And what else?
And snow, because it's cold as shit outside. So she stay inside. Okay.